Hi everyone, good morning. This is Infinite Runner. Today we are at this Jurong Lake Garden. So what's behind me is all the Great Lantern Mooncake Festival decoration. I think it's a bit dark now, so we are proceed on to find the QR code for the Healthy 365 before we proceed on today's route. Go to check it out. Where are the QR code? A new area to me. Today is 4th of September. Yeah, very good morning. So this is Jurong Lake Garden. I think it's still a bit early now, so need to find where's the QR code and get back to the route again. Thank you. Okay, we're now scanning the first QR code of the day. Hi everyone, good morning. This is Infinite Runner here. So today we are at this Jurong Lake Garden. Sorry for the late introduction. I think the video today is going to jump here and there. So today we are, I think I have already exited the Jurong Lake Garden. So we can now proceed on to, where the PCN is. So I need to find out, oh, I think it's opposite. So I need to cross the traffic light, go to the opposite side of the PCN side. So yeah, today's route will be less than 10. So yeah, hopefully I don't get lost. So we are now running along this Jurong Lake Garden. I think it's the Jurong River or something. Yeah, I think it's going to be fun. So the time now is about, I think, close to 6:45. So yeah, today is a totally new route, but it's still a PCN. That's what you see in the front. So yeah, so we're going to come back to this Jurong Lakeside Garden Park when at the end of the route. So we're going to run for this PCN first, then we'll come back for the Jurong Lake Garden Park. And this is going to be a fast video forward inside the lake park. I think it's quite crowded at this time, so sit back and relax, watch the video to the end, and thank you very much. See you guys later. Hi everyone, yeah, back to run. Yeah, just now we have passed by all the PCN that's very near to all the industrial park here. So as you can see now, this part is very less traffic. It's far different from what I see just now in the Jurong Lakeside Garden. So I think in the morning, this Lakeside Garden is really, I think it's a bit crowded. I think it's comparable to this Ang-Mo-Kio Bishan Park. So it's a bit crowded. But I think over here we have some Mooncake Lantern Festival decoration. So it's kind of interesting when I get back to bed get back to the park, and hopefully I can take a video of the decoration. So it's kind of interesting. Just now I did hit some video on it, but I think it's a bit dark. So now we are running the route first. Then we get back to the park. Then we can take the video of the monkey decoration and scanning of the QR code. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks. Hi everyone. Yeah, we now have exit the PCN just behind me. So we're running towards this industrial park now, cutting across this Bukan. So yeah, hopefully not miss the way. So now we are actually running along this main road to see where's that this area. So I think on the left is all the big industry area. So this will be the last part of the. This will be the thing before we reach the Jurong Lake Garden. So this will be the last part of the non-garden area. So yeah, got to find out, man. So we are now entering the industrial park area. So see you guys again. Thank you. Okay, morning. I think we are still now in the industrial area. So I'm not familiar with this area, so sometimes just have to trust Google. So we are now passed by this Caterpillar building. So I think it's good company. Okay, we're now running towards this main road. So I need to find out where we are now on the main road, and catch you guys again. See you later. Thank you. Wow. Everyone, yeah, this is I think I'm seeing something quite interesting over here. I didn't know that this is also available in Singapore. The KFC is the standalone how do I say, property on its own. And beside here there's also another McDonald's. And here we have is the Samki food. I think it's a dim sum. So quite interesting to see all these things here at McDonald's. Also KFC standing alone. Quite interesting. I didn't know this thing is available in Singapore. Oh, I think McDonald's babies. Yeah, this combined with some other shop houses opposite. So I think this is at near the Yunjing Road. So I can see there's also Pizza Hut. Yeah, I think there's a Super Bowl inside below. So yeah, I think this is quite a interesting place. The McDonald's here, we have the KFC. It's very near to the park, so yeah, so quite interesting. So we now have come back to this Jurong Lake Garden again, just opposite me. Okay, just cross the junction and we can get to the park. So now we need to find the QR code and of course the Mooncake Lantern Festival decoration. And thank you, see you again, bye. Okay, now we are entering the park now. So this part of the park I think is still quite okay, no traffic. Oh, see there's a multi-breaker car park here. So, yeah, okay, that's one to one. So this is right in front of me now. So quite interesting. We run this park in the morning. I think it's very fantastic to be very near to this park. Okay, I need to find a QR code now and see you guys again. Thank you. Okay, now everyone, we're now at this Estonia Island. So, I'm not sure how it goes. I need to find the Mooncake Festival decoration, take a video, and then we go back. There's nothing there? Okay, thank you. Okay, I think we can go to turn around. There's nothing ahead. It's a dead end. So I think we need to run to somewhere else. Thank you. Okay, now we are at this the Mooncake Festival decoration. So I'm not sure whether can we go in. Need to find the entrance to go in, but I don't see anyone else going inside. So I think we have to carry on. But it's kind of interesting here. Not sure whether is it free or something else. Yeah, I'm gonna move ahead first. I think I'll find some behind me also. So probably just take some video here. Okay. Let's just move around. I think it's closed. I don't think we can go inside. think it's closed. So just take video from the outside. I think there's a windmill there. Okay, let's just go for it. Okay, I think we can all go inside. Okay, I think I see some video here. Yeah, I think it's coming to the end of the park itself. So I think it's a very good run. So I think we gotta hit some mooncake festival decoration in the front first. Then we proceed to end the route here. Okay, some more over here. There's some in the front here also. Summer. Spring. I think there's no more. And I think there's no more in the park, so we'll come to the end of the run. So hopefully to see you guys again. And today is 4th of September, Sunday morning, and it's a very good run here at this Jurong Lake Garden. So about 10 kilometers I think. So I think I lost somewhere in the garden also. So it's very nice, very good. ACM is beautiful, and the garden also is beautiful. And see you guys again. Thank you for your support, and thank you very much. See you again. Stay healthy, mentally strong. Bye bye.